Hello there. Today I'm going to be walking you through on how to use apps on the Mono dashboard. With apps, you can create your test and live public and private keys. These keys will allow you to authorize API calls to retrieve information. Essentially, with apps, you can also define the scope of the product which you will be creating, as well as give specifics on what type of data you would like to retrieve. To get started, all you need to do is sign in on Mono dashboard. If you do not have an account, you can also sign up from the Mono website. After you have signed in, this would be your view. To get started with apps, all you need to do is navigate to the sidebar and click on the apps section. Here will be displayed a list of apps that have already been created, and if this is your first time creating an app, it will be blank. Now, to create your first app, all you need to do is navigate to the top right corner and click on the Create an App button. A pop-up will come with a form requesting more information on the app you would like to create. Now, you'll be requested to upload a logo for your app, as well as certain information like your app name. You can also use the app name as the display name if you would like for it to be the same. All you need to do is click on the checkbox, or you can change the display name to be different. Now, you'll also be requested to select what product you would like to use this app for, as well as the account type you would like to be connected using this app. I'm going to click on Select All Account Types. You will also be requested to select the account scope. Now, the account scope means what scope of information you would like to be made available to you from the connected accounts on this app. I'm going to go ahead and select all account scope, which includes identity, statements, transactions, accounts, and payments. Then you'll be requested to put in your institution scope. Your institution scope displays a list of institution types that you would like to be connected, either wallets, investment institutions, banking institutions, or telecommunication institutions. I will go ahead and click on Select All Institution Scope. You can change the selection based off of your app's scope. You will also then be requested to select the industry. What industry is this app going to be created in? Now, my app is going to be created is for the financial services industry. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And after going through this information to ensure that I have entered everything correctly and properly, I will go ahead and click on the Create App button. I will receive a notification that my app has been successfully created, and I can see my app here. All I need to do is click on it, and I will see more information on the app. As you can see, every newly created app is in test mode. You can see my public and private key here. I can copy this key as I so will please and use in necessary situations. I can also reset my keys. And when I go live with these, my public keys will change and be used for live API calls. I can also see all the other information that I used while creating my app, including my display name, the app type, the account type, as well as the date and time which my account was created. You can also see more information on the app from app settings, including the account type, which means you can change certain settings of the app. You can also enable data sync as well as some other general settings for your app. To see more information, you can check out our other videos